Hello and Assalamu alaikum Misoda. Hope you are doing well. This is Hassan Noor Malik, s2022 from Beacon House National University, and today I am excited to present an overview and my understanding of the Google User Experience Design program. So basically, this program is designed to help aspiring designers gain the skills needed to launch a career in user experience design. And this program is perfect for beginners with no prior experience like myself, because it guided me how to design user-friendly products by understanding user needs, creating prototypes, conducting research, and much more. The certificate consists of 7 courses, each focusing on different aspects of the UX design process. And throughout the program, I completed hands on projects, culminating in a portfolio that showcased my skills. And let's explore each course and its modules to understand what this program actually offers. So, the very first course of this program, which is Foundations of User Experience Design, this introduced me to the field of UX design and its significance in creating user centered products. And Module 1 of the very first course, which is Introduction to UX Design, this explained me what UX design actually is and how important it is. I explored how UX designers solve user problems and improve their experiences across products. The second module of the first course, which is Thinking Like a UX Designer, this one helped me develop a designer's mindset, one which is focused on empathy, creativity, and problem solving. And the third module of the very first course of this program, which is Joining Design Sprints, this basically guided me about collaborative time boxed processes used to solve design challenges and test ideas quickly. And the fourth module of this first course, which is Integrating Research into the Design Process, this explained me how important user research actually is and how essential it is to inform and improve our designs. So by the end of this course, I had a foundational understanding of UX design and its role in creating initiative and user-friendly products. So let's move on to the second course of this program. So the second course of this program, which is Start the UX Design Process. The second course starts the UX design process. It emphasizes and defined and ideate. It focused on the initial steps of the design process. And the module 1 of the second course, uh, it was basically emphasizing with users and defining pain points, which guided me to conduct user research, such as interviews and surveys, to basically to understand user challenges. So module number 2, which is creating user stories and user journey maps, uh, this module actually helped me uh, actually helped me to like illustrating pain points and opportunities for improvement. It also helped me to map out user experiences and showed me all the opportunities for improvement. So, module number three of the second course, it basically guided me in creating problem statements that frame user challenges clear and concisely. And module number four, which is ideating design solutions, this basically introduced brainstorming techniques to generate initiative designs, ideas, and a lot of other things. So, the second course, it's all about building a deep understanding of users and creatively addressing their needs. So, let's move on to the third course of this program. So, the third course of this program, which is build wireframes and low fidelity prototypes, this guided me how to bring my ideas to life with visual representations. And the very first module of this course, storyboarding and wireframing, it focused on visualizing user flows and sketching layouts that prioritize usability. So the second module of the third course, creating paper and digital wireframes, uh, this module basically took my ideas further by creating both hand drawn and digital layouts using tools like Figma. And the third module of the third course, which is building low fidelity prototypes, this basically guided me how to create simple and interactive models for testing user flows and all the concepts related to the concepts. And by the end of this course, I was able to quickly translate ideas into tangible designs that can be tested and refined. So let's move on to the fourth um, course of this program, which is conduct UX research and test early concepts. This focused mainly on gathering feedback to improve designs. And the very first module of the fourth course, it basically showcased me how to design research plans to collect valuable user insights. And let's move on to the second module of course number four. And this module, conducting research with usability studies, uh, this guided me it guided me in observing how users interact with our prototypes. It also showcased me identifying pain points and all the opportunities, the users have. And let's move on to the third module of the fourth course. And the third module of the fourth course, which is analyzing and synthesizing research results. This basically helped me a lot in turning raw data into actionable insights by identifying all the patterns and all the important key findings. And the fourth module of the fourth course, which is sharing research insights for better designs. Um, this module uh, helped me explaining how to present our research findings to stakeholders, and uh, basically how to present our research findings to stakeholders by ensuring designs align with user needs. So basically it showed how to present our research findings to stakeholders along with ensuring designs which align with the user needs. This course ensured that my designs are user centered and grounded in real world insights. So let's move on to the fifth course of this program. So the fifth course of this program, which is create high fidelity designs and prototypes in Figma. Uh, this guided me to refine my designs and create polished prototypes. And the first module of course number 5, which is start to create mockups, it basically introduces mockups, which are detailed visual representations of my designs. And module number 2, which is applying module number 2 of the fifth course, which is applying visual design principles to mockups. This module basically helped me it helped me refine the typography, color, and layout for basically for a professional look. And the fourth module of the fifth course, which is creating high fidelity prototypes. This basically guided me to create interactive and realistic prototypes that simulate the final product and help it get better. And the module 5, which is testing and iterating on designs, um, it basically focused on gathering feedbacks on prototypes and improving them. So this course equips it equipped me with advanced design tools and techniques to create professional and user ready designs. So let's move on to the sixth course of this program. So the sixth course of this program, it is build dynamic user interfaces for websites. This course it focuses on creating responsive and interactive websites while preparing us for real world design work. And the very first module of this course, of the sixth course, it basically planned a responsive website which teaches us how to design layouts that adapt to different screen sizes and all the different devices. And the second module of the sixth course, which is create and test prototypes, it focused on building interactive models and testing them to ensure usability. And let's move on to the third module of this course. And the third module, which is participating in design critique sessions, um, it basically emphasizes on collaboration and feedback to design effectively. It showed us the importance of the user and how important the feedback is. And let's move on to the fourth module of the sixth course. So, the fourth module of the sixth course, which is document design work and search for jobs, uh, this module guided me how to present our projects professionally while preparing for the job market. And basically, um, this entire course, it bridges the gap between design theory and practical application, ensuring that I'm ready for professional challenges. And last but not least, we have the seventh course of this program, which is design a user experience for social good and prepare for jobs. This final course, it ties everything together for me with a capstone project and a career preparation. And this it consists of three modules. And the first module, which is design for social good and strengthen your portfolio, this basically challenged me to design a socially impactful project and document it in my portfolio. And the second module of this course, which is build a professional presence, it showcased me how to create an engaging LinkedIn profile and showcase all of my work online for better job opportunities and to have a better LinkedIn profile, which is important for numerous job opportunities. And lastly, the final module, module 3 of the seventh course, which is finding a UX job. This it basically focuses on job searching strategies and portfolio presentations, and it prepared me for an interview. It gave me all the tips which I would need in a professional interview. Basically, it polished all my skills which are required to give an amazing interview for a professional setting. So basically, this course, the course number seventh, it ensures that I'm ready to apply my skills to real world challenges and potentially start a career in UX design. So to wrap it up and conclude everything, the Google UX design certificate, um, for me and even for anyone, it's an excellent program for anyone who is interested in UX design, because it provides a step by step process to develop essential skills, from understanding users and creating wireframes to conducting research and preparing for interviews and professional settings. So, this was my presentation of the Google User Experience Design program, and thank you and Allah Hafiz.